back into box number 1. Let's go back into box number 2. Take a look. I haven't seen any of the really expensive items yet on the manifest. Let's hope they're actually still in here. Hope they're in good shape. I don't see us making our $600 back after shipping and taxes and everything just yet. SteelSeries Rival 10 mouse. This looks ripped open box. Feels like it's got some weight in there. Let's see if it's actually in there. Box is still in good shape. And completely empty. This was one of the items that was up there on the manifest as a $89 mouse. So there's $89 of the 2200 that is not even in here. That's a bummer. Well, that's not good. The first expensive item, and it's missing. Well, that's trash. Bye. All right. Next. These look. Oh, this is one of the. These are $126 earbuds. And they look semi-new. That's actually really nice packaging. Look at that. With the earbuds, whole bunch of different fill-ins there, and they're all there. This is no longer sealed. The seal's been broken. If I can even get it out. Yeah, it's just a little plastic cover that comes off. Let's see if these headphones are any earwax on them. Nope, man, these earbuds feel really nice. No wonder they're expensive. All metal casing. I don't see any earwax in there. They are just new, open box. All right. Cool. We should be able to sell these for close to, maybe not close to retail necessarily, but it is open box new. So those should help us get some of our money back now. That's nice. Well, one item that came out completely missing, the other's still in there, really good shape. I'm getting a little bit more excited now when I saw that. This is just more ink cartridges, and again, I think these were really cheap. Some Linkyo premium cartridges. I think these were only like $10 or something like that on the package. Box is completely cut open. Here, let's see if these are open or not. Package is still, yeah, they're still sealed. At least they're new. That's cool. That'll make a couple bucks right there. Looks like another iPad case. This one looks like it's been used. I'll probably just end up donating this. If anybody wants it, let me know. Ship it to you. It's got that marble. I think the lights are too bright. It won't catch it. It's like a marble look. All right. Okay, Razer Kaio. Looks like a streaming cam, yeah, broadcasting camera with ring light. Box is still in good shape. For gamers by gamers, which is their motto on everything. Looks new. Still has the cable attachment. That's all hooked up. Oh, obviously the cable is into the camera. You can't disconnect the cable. Duh. And yeah, it's brand new, hasn't been touched. It's adjustable, ring light. It's pretty nice. I think this was a $40 camera, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Razer Kaio is a $30 camera, brand new. 1080p, 30 frames, and 720, 60 frames. Has a built-in microphone too, but I doubt it's very good. Nice little webcam. There you go. You can sell that. Oh, that's for the cam. Let's put that back in there before I forget it. If I can even get it back in the box. There we go. All right. No, it looks like maybe a streamer, someone trying to stream video games or something was in this. There's a newer microphone stand, desk attachment, another one, two of them in there. All right, Wi-Fi range extender, another one of these. Oh, and I didn't even try and open these up, but they're sealed. You can't open these. Oh, you can right here. It feels like they're both in here. I know these are really cheap. Yeah, they're still all brand new in the package, the whole stand and everything. So a couple of those, get a couple bucks there. Or if anybody's trying to start a YouTube channel as well or stream, anything like that, let me know if you need one of these. See what we can do. Another Wi-Fi range extender. This one is opened. Still brand new. Has the plastic on it and everything. That'd be a couple bucks there. Get that cardboard out. Okay, this looks, it's heavy. Wondering if oh, this might be, yep, it is. This was a Microsoft Surface laptop. Oh, it even lights up. Can you see a lot of plastic? So I'm not gonna do it here. Let's open this up. Ooh, it's rose gold. You got the keyboard attachment there. Well, it lit up when I first pushed it. Maybe it just died right now. Oh, no, there we go. Just lit up again. Green in color. It's nice. It feels really nice. It's got a case with it, it looks like, too. Full case. And keyboard with it. This looks really nice. It's super heavy. And this was for Microsoft Surface, I believe. Let's see here. It said there's a Microsoft Surface dock, but it shows black. This is rose gold. So I'm curious if there's another one of these, and this is for an iPad instead. Yeah, this is for an iPad. Rose gold iPad docking station with keyboard. All right. What's next? Looks like more filament for a 3D printer. 1.75 millimeter, kilogram per spool. And it's in blue, completely vacuum sealed still. I know nothing about this. If you guys know something or you have a 3D printer, you're looking to make something, just let me know. Message me, comment, see what we can do. Unless it's worth a lot of money, then we'll probably sell them. Try and make our money back. All right, another phone case for iPhone XS. And it looks new in box still. It's torn open a little bit, but this side's not. It's sealed still. Brand new phone case. Catalyst phone case. It's like Skull Candy headphones. Let's see if there's earwax on these guys. They are definitely not brand new. They have been worn. Some Skull Candy earbuds. We'll just go ahead and put those back in the box without touching them. Don't want to get the coronavirus. Can you get out of earwax? Is that possible? I guess anything I'm touching in here, I could really get it, huh? Alright, those will go donation box. Unless someone wants them, let me know. We want to clean them up. Another cable. It's got a whole bunch of different cables on the front photo of it. This one looks like for a MacBook. Magnetic charger. Okay. This one's been torn open, box is ripped. Nothing fantastic about that. 3-in-1 fast charge. It's like a wireless charger. Box is already opened. Oh, it's like a whole docking station. That's cool. This is for iPhone. Lightning plug on the bottom here. And wireless charger on the other side. Looks really nice. Wonder if that works on iPhones too. I don't know a whole lot about Apple products. If they have the wireless charging too, I think they do. The newer ones. No brand on this. This is just some cheap one. Probably a couple bucks there. I don't think wireless chargers are real expensive anymore or popular. I don't use mine anymore. I like a cable attached. All right, Vixie wireless car charger mount. So it looks like it actually wirelessly charges your phone while mounted in the car. That's cool. Any mounts I've ever had, you've always had to plug in the phone, make sure it stays charged. This will just do it for you. I like that. Still brand new. Box is opened, unsealed, but that baby is brand new. I might use that for my commutes to work too. We'll see. Anybody need one? All right. Next, here's the Microsoft Surface right here. This is the docking station. And I think this is a $170 part right here. It's been opened. Let's see. And it looks used. It's really heavy. Like really heavy. This thing probably weighs like 10 pounds. This is definitely used. The metal is chipped. It looks like it's been dropped. So that's going to go as a used piece there. That's all right. Well, I'm back. My recording software decided to stop recording halfway through. Well, not halfway, a little bit further than that of box 2. So let me show you the last couple things in here real quick. Now that I figured out which ones I did not show you. There is a iRig pads. I don't think this was earlier in the video, so let me just show you again one more time. It was in the box. It is an open box, but it is still sealed inside. Let me pull it out real quick and show you just in case it's not earlier in the video. There it is right there. Still sealed in the box. There was just some dust on it, but it still looks really good. And this was a, where did it go? $70 Groove controller. That's nice. Still in really good condition, so I can make some money back on that. Unless someone here is a audio mixer, likes to make their own music, let me know on that. That was one of the other items right here. HD TV digital antenna. So I don't know if this is worth anything at all anymore. I didn't know they even still made these. If anybody needs that as well, it's all yours. Okay, so I'm really bummed that this isn't the first reaction real quick because the software stopped recording, but this was the item that I was really excited for in this box that I was really hoping was in really good shape or new. It's the Astro C40 controller for PlayStation or PC. And I know these are getting really popular right now with games like Fortnite and whatnot, where the controller seems to be kind of broken in the game. So here we are, at least on PC. That's what I've heard. So it is an open box, ripped open, but let me show you what's inside here. It is still in the case. It's not dirty. It looks really clean, like someone opened it and put it right back in. But let's see the controller. And here it is. There is not maybe one fingerprint on it. Still in really good condition. It has all the attachments in it. It's got the little driver to replace the whole face plate if you were to buy that separately. It's got the thumb throttles, different attachments when these are worn out. The throttles are all metal, the controller's metal, it's got paddles on the back, sliders for other things. This is a really, really nice piece here, and this was a $180 at retail price controller. So that's awesome. That's gonna make some of our money back right there. Just sell it as open box. All right. Okay, and we've got a, let me put this back in too. And we're good. Last item in the box that didn't get to yet, some 3-ring binders. 2 of them are totally broken, smashed. The other 2 are still in good shape, so maybe another donation for school. And then that was it for the box number 2. Let me put all this stuff back in real quick and we'll get to box number 3.